Let's convert from scientific notation. So first let's look at the value of our exponent on our 10. This is how many places we will move our decimal point. Now if our exponent on the 10 is a negative, that means that the original number was less than 1. So if our original number was less than 1, we know we need to move the decimal point to the left in order to get a number less than 1. So I'm going to rewrite my number and I'm going to move my decimal point to the left 5 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I move my decimal 5 times to the left. And what do I do with all of these blank spaces? Well, I put zeros in the blank spaces. So now I know I have an answer of 0.000263. So 2.63 times 10 to the power of negative 5 is equivalent to 0.000263.